Want to know the one simple trick that can skyrocket your views on YouTube? Stick around because I am about to share something that most creators totally overlook, and that is changing your video file name before you upload. Let's jump right in. When you upload a video, it is easy to get caught up in the title, the description, the thumbnail. Those are the things that we pay attention to more often. But here is a quick tip. There's one thing you should do before you even upload your video, and that is changing the file name. Yes, that sounds simple, right? But trust me, it makes a big difference. How many of you have named your video something like video 1 or new video or even video 2? Raise your hand if you have. I know you have. I actually used to do that until I found out this simple trick. Yes, so instead of doing that, try naming your file something that describes what the video is about. For example, if your video is about making healthy smoothies, name it something like healthy smoothie recipes. Okay, this helps a whole lot with your views, and this is better for your audience and for YouTube. Why? The title change helps YouTube understand your content right away. Think of it like giving your video a chance to shine. Yeah, so if YouTube knows what your video is about, it can show it to more people, meaning you get more views, you get more engagement, and you get the watch hours you need. Now here is another reason to do this. Okay, it helps with SEO. You must have seen this, you must have heard me say this in my previous videos. Yes, this means your videos can show up when people search for related topics. The more relevant your file name is, the better chance you have to getting seen, and that's pretty cool. You would agree with me. So now, with this information you have, before you hit that upload button next time, take a moment to rename your file. It's a small change. It's a very small change, but it can lead to big results. Trust me. So I would like to know and hear from you. I would like to hear your comment. What is the best video you've ever uploaded? Let me know in the comment section. And have you ever tried this tip before? Have you tried this trick before? Do you think it will work, and did it work for you? Well, in my previous videos it worked for me, and I thought to share it with you guys. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this tip and trick. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you want to learn more about getting your views seen, more about how to build a YouTube channel and other information, check out my previous videos on how to beat the algorithm. I'll put it up here. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.